Hey everyone, Willy here, welcome back. Today I'll walk you through Mirage Liquidity Sweep Pro, and in the next 8 minutes I'll show you exactly how it finds stop hunts, scores them, and turns the clean ones into a complete trade plan automatically on the bar the signal fires. Let's start with why this exists. Most traders get taught that price reverses at support and resistance, but that's backwards. Price doesn't reverse at a line you drew. It reverses where resting orders get eaten. Above every swing high, there's a stack of stops and breakout buys, buy-side liquidity. Below every swing low, the mirror image, sell-side liquidity. Big players need that liquidity to fill their size. So price gets pushed through the level, the stops trigger, the orders fill, and then price snaps right back. That's a sweep, a stop hunt. And the reversal that follows is some of the cleanest movement you'll ever trade. The problem is, spotting them live is hard. Was that a real sweep or a breakout about to keep running? Where's the stop? Where's the target? Most people either miss the sweep or chase it after the move's gone. That gap is exactly why I built Mirage. So here's what it does. Mirage remembers your swing highs and lows and tags them as resting liquidity. It watches for the moment one of those levels gets pierced and then reclaimed on the close. Not just touched, reclaimed. It scores how clean that grab was, 0 to 100. Optionally, it waits for price to confirm by breaking structure, and then it builds the whole trade. Entry, a stop anchored to the actual sweep wick, 3 take profits, automatic break even, and a projected liquidity target showing where the move is really drawn. First, the swing engine. Mirage tracks confirmed pivot highs and lows. Default look back 21 bars, real turning points, not every little wiggle. Every unswept high gets drawn as buy-side liquidity, every unswept low as sell-side. And the second a level gets swept, it disappears from the map. So what's on your chart is always live, untapped liquidity. On top of that, when 2 swings line up at almost the same price, Mirage connects them as equal highs or equal lows. Those are the strongest magnets on the chart and basically a billboard saying stops are parked right here, and they get hunted constantly. Now the detection, and this is the rule that separates Mirage from a dumb wick detector. Take a swing low. If price closes below it, that's not a sweep, that's a breakdown, no signal. But if price wicks below that low and then closes back above it, that's a bullish sweep. The grab and the rejection in one candle. Same logic flipped for the highs. The close decides everything. That single rule is why Mirage ignores the huge majority of noise wicks that other tools fire on. But not every sweep is worth trading, so everyone gets scored. 5 weighted factors blended into one number, 0 to 100. Factor 1, the biggest at 30%. Wick depth, how far the rejection wick traveled relative to ATR. A big wick means real absorption. Factor 2, 25%, reclaim how decisively price closed back on the right side. Factor 3, 20%, close position. Did the candle close near the rejection extreme or limp out in the middle? Factor 4, 15%, volume. Did the sweep happen on a volume spike? And if you've got no volume data, it just neutralizes itself, nothing breaks. Factor 5, 10%, higher time frame bias. Is this sweep pulling with the bigger trend or against it? Add it up and a sweep only qualifies when it clears your min score, default 50. That's your master quality dial. Crank it up, fewer, cleaner signals. Drop it, more. Now, by default, Mirage doesn't fire the instant a sweep scores. It waits for proof. A qualifying sweep becomes pending, and the signal only fires when price breaks the most recent minor pivot. A change of character. The first real sign structure has flipped. There's a window, default 13 bars, no CHoCH in time, the setup expires, no trade. But if you want speed, flip confirmation off, and the signal fires on the sweep bar itself. That one toggle is the difference between a patient swing trader and a fast scalper. When the signal fires, the trade builds itself. Entry is the close of the signal bar, and the stop sits beyond the actual sweep wick, not an arbitrary percentage, not a flat distance. The sweep wick is the precise point that invalidates the idea, so that's where the stop belongs, plus a small ATR buffer. There's one guard. If that stop ends up unrealistically tight, Mirage widens it to half an ATR. No suicide stops. Then your three targets are pure R multiples off the risk distance, TP1, TP2, TP3, clean, mechanical, no guessing. And you don't set any of that by hand. 5 presets, 1 click, conservative, wider stop, targets out to 4R, balanced, the default. Aggressive, tight stop runs to 4R, scalping, tightest of all, or custom, dial in your own buffer and multipliers. Pick the one that matches how you trade and you're done. Here's the management feature I lean on most. Automatic break even after TP1. Price tags your first target, your stop jumps to entry. From that bar on, worst case, you walk away flat. That changes the entire feel of holding a position. No white knuckle fear of giving profit back. You always know exactly what state the trade is in. And my favorite touch, the liquidity target. The R multiple TPs tell you where to take money off. The liquidity target tells you where the market is actually trying to go. On every entry, Mirage projects a gold line to the nearest opposite unswept pool. A long aims at the closest buy side above, a short at the closest sell side below, because price moves toward liquidity, not round numbers. That gold line is the draw, and I use it as a partial exit zone all the time. One thing I want to be straight about, the higher time frame bias is a soft filter, only 10% of the score, pulled from confirmed prior bar values, so it never repaints. It nudges quality, it does not hard block anything. A clean counter trend sweep can still fire because some of the best reversals happen against the bigger trend. The dashboard lives in the corner of your chart. Trend, HTF bias, your current signal, the last sweep and its score, your live stop and all 3 targets with check marks as they hit, reward to risk, stop, distance. And at the bottom, your stats, trades closed, wins, losses, win rate, and a strip showing your last 10 results. And I have to be honest about those stats because this is where most indicators lie to your face. In Mirage, a trade counts as a win the moment TP1 is touched, 1R. A trade that hits TP1 and then reverses back to break even still goes in the win column. I'm telling you that openly because it changes how you read the number. It's a transparent definition, not an inflated one. And the stats are simulated on your loaded history. Single position, no fees, no slippage. It is not a broker accurate backtest, and I won't pretend it is. Alerts are the full package. On entry, you get ticker, time frame, score, price, stop, all 3 targets, reward to risk, plus separate alerts for the stop, for break even, and for each target. 2 formats, plain text or JSON webhook if you're running a bot. Everything fires on bar close, set it once and walk away. Quick word on tuning. Too few signals, drop the min score to 40, shorten the swing, or turn CHoCH off. Too many weak ones, raise the score past 60, keep CHoCH on, switch the volume filter on. Stops feel wrong, swap presets, or set the buffer manually. And every input has a tooltip I wrote myself. And no repainting, none. Signals require confirmed bars. The pivots use equal left and right windows, so a swing is genuinely in the past before it counts. That's delayed confirmation, not repainting, and there's a real difference. Alerts fire on close. What you see in the past is exactly what plotted in real time. An indicator that repaints is lying to you and it's useless for real money. So let me level with you. This is not a money printer. It's an analysis tool, a sharp one, but a tool. It finds sweeps, scores them, confirms them, builds a plan, and tracks outcomes. It does not place trades for you. The decision is yours, the size is yours, the risk is yours. What Mirage removes is the manual work, the guessing about whether a wick was a real grab, where the stop belongs, where the move is drawn to, and the whole thing is free. It works everywhere. Crypto, Forex, stocks, indices, futures. 1 minute up to weekly, with defaults tuned for 15-minute through 4-hour. Add it. Watch the liquidity map build. When a sweep scores and confirms, you get a green long or a red short with entry stop and 3 targets already drawn. Take the trade at your size. TP1 hits, your stops at break even, you can breathe, then hold toward the liquidity target. That's the whole thing. Give it a week. Watch how the stop sits right behind the wick that grabbed the liquidity. Watch how that gold line calls where price is headed before it gets there. There are more than 30 free indicators on my TradingView profile. Link in the description. Every one of them is free. Wishing you all profitable, disciplined trading. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.